A video of Ronaldo and Messi eating fried chicken just hit over 100 million views on Instagram. It might sound like a bizarre concept, but the reality is even crazier. The account that posted it has exploded with millions of views across all their videos, all thanks to a unique AI strategy that's been blowing up. But here's the shocking part. This account is getting millions of views and still not making a penny. Let me explain. Despite all that attention, they're trapped in what I call broke creator syndrome, BCS. They have an audience but no way to monetize it. So they're sitting on a gold mine and letting it slip through their fingers. And that's where the opportunity lies for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replicate their AI-powered strategy and turn those viral videos into real money. You won't need high-end equipment or expensive editing software. All you need are a few online tools to start creating content just like them. But there's a catch. This is not just about getting views, it's about turning those views into cash. And here's the kicker. I've found a new secret monetization strategy that hasn't been shared with the public yet. Most creators with viral meme accounts are missing out on thousands of dollars every month by not using this strategy. Let me take you back to when I first stumbled upon this phenomenon. I was just doom scrolling through Reels when I saw this hilarious AI video of Ronaldo and Messi eating fried chicken. I thought it was funny, but then I noticed something mind-blowing. It had over 100 million views. And that's not all. After digging deeper into the account, I saw that every single post on their page had over 1 million views. These creators weren't just getting lucky, they had a strategy. So I looked closer to figure out what they were doing and how you can do it too. At first, I thought recreating this type of content would be a major challenge. After all, these videos look almost impossible to replicate. But then I started doing research, and I realized it's actually way simpler than you'd think. In fact, I've put together a 5-step blueprint that will show you exactly how to do it. This is the exact plan I'd follow if I were to start a new Instagram account from scratch, grow it into a highly profitable business, and leverage AI to create viral content. So, if you're watching this video now, you're in for a treat. This blueprint will save you tons of time and effort while getting you closer to monetization. Focus on monetization, not just views. So, why am I stressing monetization over views? You see, it's great to get views. Everyone wants viral videos. But the real goal is to turn those views into cash. Because at the end of the day, those views don't mean much if you're not monetizing them. Now, let's break down the strategy that will skyrocket your growth and profits. We're going to cover 5 actionable steps that will help you recreate this viral AI strategy and start earning money. Step 1, multiply your reach. Don't limit yourself to Instagram. The first step in this formula is to get your videos out there to as many people as possible. And here's the catch. Don't just post on Instagram. We're going to maximize our reach by posting across multiple short-form platforms: TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and even Facebook Reels. Why is this important? Because platforms like TikTok and YouTube pay creators for their videos. But here's the problem most creators face. The monetization requirements are steep. TikTok requires 10,000 followers and only monetizes accounts in certain countries like the US or UK. YouTube needs 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views in the last 90 days. Sounds like a lot, right? But I've got a hack for you. You don't need to wait months to hit these milestones. There's a way to skip the wait and start making money immediately. Step 2, get around the monetization requirements. Here's the trick that most creators don't know about. You can buy monetized accounts. These accounts have already met the requirements on TikTok and YouTube, meaning they're already eligible for ad revenue. Someone else built the account, met the thresholds, and now they're selling it. And the best part? These accounts are organically grown, so they haven't been botted or artificially boosted. So if you buy one of these accounts, You can start uploading videos and generate ad revenue from day one. It's a huge shortcut to monetization. Of course, you don't have to buy an account. You can build your own from scratch, but it will take more time. Some creators spend months, even years, trying to hit these monetization requirements. This method allows you to jump straight to the part where you're earning money without the wait. Step 3. Generate your AI images for videos. Once your accounts are set up and ready to go, it's time to start creating your content. You're going to use AI to generate your images. Here's how. Use ChatGPT to create the prompt that will describe the image you want. Let's say you want an image of Ronaldo and Messi eating fried chicken at a fast food restaurant. Paste the prompt into Glyph AI, a tool I recommend for creating high-quality images of famous people. Set the image size to portrait for short-form content and use the Flux Pro model for the best results. I've tested many image generators, but this one works the best for generating realistic images of celebrities. It's quick and simple to use, and you get 20 free credits every day. Now you'll have your images. But we're not done yet, because images are just the start. Step 4. Animate the images for full videos. Once you have your images, the next step is to turn them into full-fledged videos. This is where it gets fun. You don't need complex editing software. You can use tools like DeepSeek or Animoto to animate your images, adding movement, effects, and transitions. With just a few clicks, you can transform still images into eye-catching videos. The key is to keep the video dynamic and engaging. Use different scenes to keep the audience hooked. For example, after the fried chicken scene, you could animate a moment where Ronaldo steals Messi's World Cup trophy, another viral concept from that account. Step 5. Unlock the untapped monetization strategy. Here's the final piece of the puzzle, the untapped monetization strategy. Most meme accounts make money through ads and sponsorships, but there's another way to maximize your income. Have you ever thought about affiliate marketing or selling digital products? If you build your following and engage your audience, you can promote products or services related to the content you're making. For example, if you create sports-related memes or content, you can promote sports merchandise, coaching services, or even online courses. Even better, you can create your own digital products, like templates or courses that resonate with your audience. This way, you're not reliant on ad revenue. You have a stream of passive income that keeps flowing in. This strategy is still untapped, and it's easy to implement. I'm telling you, no one's doing this on meme accounts yet. If you jump on this early, you could dominate the niche and make a ton of money from something as simple as a viral video.